by and take a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.